Hi, my name is Ivonne and I work for the University of Arizona, Pima County Cooperative Extension Community Nutrition EFNEP. We are going to be making fun recipes. Hello everyone, my name is Ivonne and today I'm going to be making some hummus recipe. Very easy recipe that anyone can enjoy. Um, Hummus has been around for about since 13th centuries. It's been said that that is from different countries, but I think it's originated from Egypt. Um, People over there they eat it a lot. Um, they call them chickpeas, the garbanzo bean. In Spanish is garbanzo, but it's also called chickpeas. Okay, I think this recipe is a great plant-based recipe that everyone can enjoy it in the summertime or when you're socializing with your friend, your family, with your kids. To just put things together in a blender and voila, is done. All right, so when you're making the hummus, you want to make sure if you're using fresh garbanzos or chickpea, make sure and soak them overnight and rinse them the next time and boil them in boiled water. Now, if you don't have fresh garbanzo, you could also use in a can. Okay, don't use the juice inside because it has a lot of preservatives and it has a lot of sodium, which is salt. So this is convenient sometimes, but what about it's a great idea to use fresh. Okay, always use fresh ingredients. If you can use can, but if not, it's okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding some water as a base for the garbanzo. So I have it over here already cooked. Okay. Um, so when you cook in the garbanzos, they're kind of tricky because sometimes some will cook better and some other will come out kind of hard. So that's why they can garbanzo, they are very convenient to have it because sometimes they might take a long time to cook or sometimes they may not. Okay, it depends how old they are. So yeah. Right here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice for flavor. I'm going to use 2 garlic cloves. Okay, if you don't like the flavor of garlic, you can use less, but I like a lot of garlic. I'm gonna use olive oil. Okay, this is one of the base ingredient, the key ingredient also for the hummus. Also, some people use tahini, but I don't have tahini. I'm just gonna use whatever I have at home. So I'm gonna put a little bit of green herb, which is cilantro. So it'll give it more flavor. Okay. So I'm going to cover right now. Now, if you think you need more water or juice, you can add it while it's running, okay? So it seems like it needs a little more liquid, so I'm gonna add just a little more olive oil. Smells very good. And also I'm gonna add maybe a little more juice, lemon juice, and more water. Because hummus needs to be very smooth, okay? So the more you keep it in the blender, okay, the better the texture is gonna be. let's see what our results. It smells so delicious. I can smell the cilantro, the garlic, and you know what? I forgot what ingredient, but it's okay. Salt. I can add it now, you know, in the other. So now I'm going to add the cumin. Cumin has a little bit of woodsy flavor, and it adds wonderful flavor to the hummus. So I'm just gonna dash a little bit of cumin in there, and the last thing but not last, salt, a little bit of sodium, okay, for taste. Okay, so let's do the final product now. No, it looks more thick because I added the extra garbanzo, but I just need to move it a little bit. I'm just going to mix a little bit with my wooden spoon to move a little bit around here so the flavors can be exactly all complete and combined. This is gonna be our final. I can't wait to taste it. All right, so. Alright, so I am going to place it in the my little plate over here. So when you serve it, you can serve it with any kind of vegetables, and also in Egypt or any other country, they use pita bread. That's very common for them too, to eat hummus and pita bread. I can smell it. This smells so good. Okay. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top, veggies in there, and we have whole wheat pita bread. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon to see our upcoming videos. You can also follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/communitynutrition.U of A. And you can also find us on Twitter and Instagram at UA_EFNEP. If you want to get in touch with us, you can email us at communitynutrition.uofa@gmail.com. See you later.